How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the live stream. This is Oscar Ramos. How we doing today? Coming and talking to you from Texas. Oh yes, baby. What I have for you today is just a chilling, relaxing Tuesday. This week is doing good for cryptocurrencies overall. Right now, you're looking at the price of AMP token. We'll talk about AMP token, Cardano, ACH, some of the greatest cryptocurrencies right now. We'll also go over some couple of news that I have ready for you. You're seeing at the price of AMP token right now doing okay. We have Cardano, we have ACH, and also as I like to start with the prices here on Coinbase. Today, a couple minutes ago, well, not a couple minutes ago, but a couple hours ago, I posted a video about no panic, right? Because I mean, the prices right now are going down. Some of them in double digits. Actually, the only double digits one that we see is just the altcoins, the ones that are exploding at the moment, like Alchemy Pay, Cardano. It was like double digits decrease like yesterday. AMP token, of course, in that double digits margin, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some of the big caps, just one digit decrease. So not really that much, everyone. So we'll have a good conversation. I have a couple of news for you guys, and we bounce. But yeah, just a very cool, chill Tuesday. Happy Tuesday to everyone, and welcome to you. Hawks, welcome, a new subscriber. Thank you so much, buddy. Juliet Gray, watching from Dallas, Texas, baby. There you go. We always like to see great fellows from Texas. Hey, Tom. Good afternoon, buddy. Great to see you. We'll just be here for a while talking. I love to listen to your feedback because I'm a human being and I'm not perfect. And a couple of you were asking for a shorter type of live stream, kind of more concise. I do like to speak and answer most of your questions, but I'm working on my live streams, right? I think my videos, I got something like I know how to make my videos right. For my live streams, that's a territory that I'm still mastering. But anyway, thank you so much for all your feedback. We have Six Van. How you doing, buddy? The dip is happening now. There you go. Anthony 60. How you doing, Anthony? Good to see you. Welcome back. Mommy watching within 1 minute. There you go. And how's next? What's going on with ADA tomorrow? There you go. So we got the news. We got some couple of updates for you guys. So I got my water as always. And after sipping, we'll go ahead and get started. There you go. Nice. What's up, Ryan? How's it going, guys? From Brazil. There you go, guys. So I hope everyone is fine. I've been having a terrific week so far, and it's just Tuesday, right? I'm gonna tell you everything because I purchased some positions, and I'm planning to purchase more positions, like the title says. AMP token, ACH, Cardano, the dips make us rich, right? The dips, we make money during the crypto dips, and that is always gonna be happening, right? The crypto dips are the things that really makes us go to the next level. So you gotta make sure we get to the crypto dips always, right? Alrighty. So guys, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? We have tons to cover, and of course, I want to get to your questions. We have New York in the house. ADA Oscar, did you see the other video I sent you? I'll have to check that out, back. Get a lot of emails or so. Okie dokie. Yes, Ryan, I'm going to get into the Japan news as well. You guys love it because you're always checking the news. So, guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go here. Coin market cap. So the crypto market is coming back to close, rolling the $2 trillion market cap. And we were at 2.15, 2.10, hovering the 2.20, now 2.5. What does that mean? Well, everyone, Cardano has been rolling. It's been on a run for the last couple of 2 weeks or so. You don't believe me? ADA, boom. Like what you're seeing right now on the screen is not typical for such a large cap as Cardano. The only one that I remember is Ethereum when it went from like $1,700 to $4,000, right? It's just been great the last couple of weeks of July, all the way to close to $3 by the last couple of weeks of August. So that's fantastic for ADA purposes. You know that I'm a big advocate of ADA. I've also seen some people who hate ADA. Why? You never know, right? They all have their reasons, but I like ADA. And I mean, everything that goes in between. I've said it multiple times. But okay, that being said, the market right now, if you come and say, why is it dipping, or why is it crashing, or why am I losing money? This sucks. I think you don't get cryptocurrencies. You still need, you may be new, you may be someone who just started trading on Robinhood or so, right? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrencies, where anything can happen in a few minutes, in a couple of minutes. So my best tip for you is sit back, relax, and buy the dips. Buy the dip. Right now, I'm absolutely not concerned. I think everything is going to be fine. Sixband says because of FOMO, fear of missing out. What is FOMO? Well, you see Cardano blasting all the way to $3, and what is your first reaction? Bam, buying, right? I already explained earlier today what to do. In that case, you see something that you like. Doesn't have to be Cardano, doesn't have to be Ethereum, doesn't even have to be AMP token. Whatever cryptocurrency you like, after it passed the utility test, the purpose test, the team test, the tokenomics test, then you go and go ahead and start some positions. If you find that it's an okay purchase, then go for it. We have Lucky So Girl in the house, VIP member. Thank you so much for being here. It's been a while. Thank you so very much. Finally, I see you on the live. So yeah, I mean, that is my recommendation to you. Great. Now, what's going to happen here? What am I going to do, guys? Basically, I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing since I started my Coinbase and my Gemini account. Go ahead and show you. It's not even a year. I started my Coinbase account, it says right here, April 10th. I don't remember I created my Coinbase account on April 9th. But what I'm saying is that I started with $20, and slowly but surely I've been adding cryptocurrency. So ever since, the cryptocurrency has been increasing. And on Gemini, I showed you earlier in the video I posted today, how even though it goes down, eventually will climb back up as you continue DCA, dollar cost averaging. Great. That is the idea. Enjoy the roller coaster. There you have it. Vancouver, BC, Canada. Anthony Nugent, welcome. Great to have you guys. Welcome, welcome. Alrighty, so that being said, let's go ahead and talk about AMP token, because that's the one I really like. Then we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Just want to give you guys the updates, and always great seeing our VIP members here in the chat. We have the Cardano sticker. You guys, thank you for using it. Now, what I mentioned today is basically the following, right? Very, very simple. I said, look at this green bar. That means that people bought a lot of AMP tokens, right? That equals, if you go to the, to me, is my left side of the screen to the top, 313 million volume. That is exactly what happened on August 23rd. Today, August 24th, 285 million. So people sold. People sold. That's what happened. So here I see investors who are tired of waiting on AMP token, who probably bought a bunch at the end of July, and then saw August as a terrible investment ROI, return on investment for them. They got tired of it. They're like, you know what? I'm out of AMP token. Finally, they saw a spike and they're out. That's what I think it happened, because the analytics and all the technicals are speaking to me those facts. And it's all right. It's all right. In my case, I see that opportunity as, if I have some money on the side, 6 cents. It's back at 6 cents. So I bought yesterday AMP token at around 7 cents, like shy of 7 cents. So, I mean, I bought it pretty high. Why? Because I had the money. Why not? But it wasn't that much of an amount for me to say, wow, I'm losing money. Absolutely not. Eventually, we'll come back up. No problem. Hey, friend, welcome back. Good to see you. Opportunely, great to see you. Welcome, welcome. So that's the idea what I'm talking. We've been in a consolidation period what I'm talking over the last month. And we just have to get used to that until, like I've been speaking, not in yesterday's video about I'm talking when I watched the 2 interviews. I watched 2 interviews, everyone. And those 2 interviews really helped me understand what Flexa is all about. And I did it for you. I posted that video for you. You can go ahead and watch it. But basically, Tyler, the CEO of Flexa, the founder, of that project, is speaking that he really wants to move Flexa network beyond, integrated with as many merchants he can possibly integrate it with. And ideally, when the time is right, at the end of the Chainlink live interview, he said that he could just go to another country if he wanted to. He could take Flexa network to another country if he wanted to, if the merchants wanted to. But he says he's still waiting, because one thing is, for example, I have my phone right now in front of you. If I'm in Australia and there's a vendor who wants to use Flexa network, so that means that the project, the company is expanding the business, right, outside the US and Canada borders. But how many customers know about Flexa network? How are they gonna speedily and rapidly integrate Flexa network with the already established payment structure that cost millions of dollars? That's what he was saying. So it does make sense. Remember that AMP token is created by Flexa Network. Flexa Network is a business. To my recollection, Flexa Network is not a public company, because let me go ahead and check that out for you, because I'm speaking things. Flexa Network, yes, it's not a stock, because there's no stock. So Flexa Network is a private entity, which means that they don't really have to report anything to the public with the SEC or so. So whatever they do, it's fine on them. If they eventually go public, they'll have my money. They'll have more support from financial institutions, and oh boy. So just by talking to you guys about this, look at that. Hey, Santa Fe, welcome, buddy. Santa Fe Mike 99 in the house. How you doing, bro? Welcome. Great to see you. So just speaking. Why? Because remember, Robinhood just went public, right? That was like 2 weeks ago. And if you're in stocks related information, which we talked about that too in the lives and in my Discord. If you guys want to support becoming a patron, you can ask me anything you want, stocks, option, whatever. But Robinhood went public, Coinbase went public. So these companies need money at the end of the day, and Flexa Network will need more money at the end of the day if they want to expand more. So to me, it will be very interesting to see how Tyler and his team moves forward as he wants to integrate Flexa Network beyond. Because that's what I took the most in the interviews. He's not really talking too much about AMP token and how the protocol and the blockchain technology does everything. To me, it seems that, and this is just my opinion, please don't take it as what it is, right? But to me, Tyler is like the Elon Musk of Tesla. He's a great salesman. Like, Tyler speaks, and what he says, he can convey what he's saying. It does seem, and I may be wrong, that of course the developers and the technology department are the one who really knows exactly what the blockchain does and AMP token does at its core. But he doesn't have to explain that much of detail, right, for us to sell us AMP token and the project. So if you are understanding what I'm saying, that's precisely what I'm trying to convey here. He's worried about Flexa Network, about how it's going to expand. And for us, and the AMP price kind of going back to to the technical analysis. This type of technology, everyone, this type of technology is not gonna be completely wiping out what currently exists in I mean by the end of the year. No, in 2 years I don't think so. Like, how many companies, for example, like you guys go to Walmart, right? Walmart has Capital One as their credit card. If you go to Walmart and you want to buy with the Walmart credit card, you use the Capital One card. I tell it because I have one. So those are the partnerships Flexa Network is looking forward, because they want to collateralize and integrate Flexa Network in those type of purchases. He said that. He was speaking about that. The type of, I forgot the name, but it's basically the type of reward systems they have for clients and customers. So the future is bright in my eyes, in my opinion, when it comes to these type of technologies. But to me, everyone, they're way ahead. They're way ahead of its time right now. Like, we can understand it. You can understand it. I can understand it. But just with a show of hands, how many people that you know have the speeding app on their phone? What is the speeding app? Let's go back to the internet. Let's go back to Flexa Network. Here, apps with Flexa. The speeding app stores assets securely. Pay with Flexa. That is the main application that Flexa is gonna utilize to expand its business. What does that mean? More collateralization with AMP token, more collateralization with the staking capacity. So show of hands, how many people that you know have the speeding app and pay with the speeding app? When you answer that question, guys, you will see that just a few. Eventually, and of course, I mean, people have to like the business. People have to like this type of transaction behavior. It's just different business type of things. But talking about Flexa Network and AMP token, it's a project and a quest that the Flexa Network team will have to dominate, right? For us as investors in AMP token, we'll just have to wait patiently and celebrate those pumps and buy during the dips. That's what I'm doing. Like, I'm not expecting Flexa Network to do something crazy. As we know, if I go back, you're seeing right now on the screen, this, my friends, was the Coinbase effect pump. What happened? Tons of people bought because, I mean, they were expecting FOMO, whatever. Tons of people sold because of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So, been speaking facts about, I'm going to get to your comments and questions, guys. Sorry, I'm kind of like on this zone, so I don't want to lose my train of thought. But tons of people understand that when they see the cryptocurrency rise, they just want to make money, guys. And what's happening right now, I mean, when was the last time you saw a sell volume as high as this? Guys, let me go ahead and erase this red horizontal line, which represents the lowest price of AMP token. But the last time we saw something like this was back in June 22nd, when it was coming down from the Coinbase effect. What does that mean, everyone? It means that people got tired. Some people, not everyone, because I have some of my Empire people right here, and you guys are pretty cool. Hassie, you have an opinion, and your opinion is welcome. So that's what I think about this. Okay, some people cannot wait that long. That's totally fine. I mean, that's fine. To me, I'll just see, because I believe that I have a gut feeling that this thing can turn out to be a great project, and not only a great project for us with 100 billion total supply, can reach out above 10 cents. Again, I see it. Alrighty, everyone. So that's Flexa Network. That's AMP token in a nutshell. Some couple more thoughts that I have on my head. If you wanted to hear them, there you have it. Just gonna go. I'm gonna go back to the comments. AMP and ACH, let's go. AMP is my father. There you go. Hey, Peter K, welcome, buddy. Hey, what's going on, brother? Thank you always for providing amazing information. Keep it up. Thank you, Anthony. Appreciate it. Anyone have Shiba Inu? I don't have Shiba Inu, and not planning to own right now until maybe later. Who knows? But I'm not really into Shiba Inu right now. Just join ACH or AMP, MRE. I own the two of them, and actually, I think this is a perfect time to show you a little bit of my crypto tracker, guys. This is how my crypto tracker looks like right now. And you are seeing right now on the screen that I have about 30%, 27% of AMP token and ACH crypto. But I have, because I just added a couple more positions yesterday. And today. And it is, no, wait. Yesterday, my bad, my train, my thoughts yesterday. So it's like 3% ACH and 30% AMP token. So I have way more AMP token than ACH. And the reason why is that for me, it takes a while to get used to a new cryptocurrency. It's not like, oh, wow, it looks great. It's rising all the way to the moon. Let's just buy in. I'm kind of like, I'm coming from the stock market, environment. So I do need to feel it and test the waters and finally understand to jump in. And I've already done that process with Cardano, with AMP token, with Ethereum, with Algorand, ACH crypto. I like it. I've been talking about it, but I'm buying small positions for ACH crypto. But I do have a good amount for my own terms. Okay, great stuff. Richard, hi Oscar, will the Japan listing of ADA tonight pump ADA? Alrighty, so this is the perfect segue to go back to the technicals and talk about ADA. Welcome everyone to ADA. All right, but first, a bit of water. Guys, haven't said that, but if you're enjoying the live stream right now, do me a favor and please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. As you're seeing right now, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Recently, a lot about cryptocurrencies because the idea of my channel, everyone, is to share my knowledge, share my journey in this investment life that I'm building and that I'm liking a lot. I've made money in cryptocurrencies. I've made money in stocks. I've made money in options and much more. And I'm sharing what I know. And if I can help you in any way, let me know. Enjoy and come back if you want. We'll be here for you. Okie dokie. Anytime, Emerge. Thank you for the great answer. Awesome. Nice. What program are you using for this? This is TradingView. TradingView. All right, everyone, let's talk ADA. First and foremost with ADA, I'm going to tell you that we have Charles here on Twitter, and he tweeted about an hour ago, ADA launching in Japan in 10 minutes. I've waited a very long time for this day. Congrats, and thanks to the community here. Guys, ADA, once again, number 3 by market capitalization. If we go back to coin market cap, here it is, 2.74. If you are an investor of ADA right now, great job. That will be, I think, the best, the first thing that I'm going to tell you. Second, more people buying or like more people having the possibility of understanding what ADA is and buying it and working. Like eventually ADA is going to have smart contracts. And we know if you do a quick Google search, Ethereum dApps list. So what am I showing you right now? I'm showing you the applications that are being used on the Ethereum network, right? Because Ethereum is a blockchain that allows different companies to build decentralized applications. Guess what? For Cardano, you will be able to do that. Build dApps to once the Lorenzo upgrade happens on September 12th. And now it's saying that the ADA launching in Japan is in 10 minutes, which is already underway. Right now for me in Texas, is 7:30 p.m. Japan time. Let's see. It's 9:30 a.m. So they're waking up. Well, I mean, I think they're already up. But things are starting right now with ADA when it comes in Japan at this time. So It will be interesting to see what's going to happen for ADA in the upcoming hours, right? It takes a little bit of time for the market to assimilate this news. But let me tell you, right now, the entire crypto market, well, what I'm showing you right now on Coinbase, it's all down. Cardano is not even 2 digits down, so that's great by being, the top three. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, barely 5%. So that's good. Go back to Coin Market. Cardano 42% in the last 7 days. So I think even though right now ADA has opened its door in Japan, probably that was a news that this jump already had considered. So what I'm saying is the news. Remember, buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. These are the news that are taking ADA. Not today, but the days before, days ago. Because 41%, everyone, 7 days ago, nothing is coming close except Binance Coin, but still is double digits up ADA. Okay, so gotta understand those terms. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news still applies in cryptocurrency a lot. We got the first super chat donation by Gameplay. Thank you so very much, my friend. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for the support. You're saying, or you're asking, I got AMP, ACH, and ADA, but I also got a Baby Doge. What do you think of it? Well, first, thank you so much for the support. Second, I don't have that. And the reason why I think this is a perfect time for me to explain this type of things, with the exception of Dogecoin, I don't buy cryptocurrencies that are branded as like after a dog because that's like a social experiment. That's like Million Token and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Baby Bitcoin and Baby Dogecoin. I mean, that's a social experiment that resonates with people, that makes sense to some people, and to me does not make sense because cryptocurrencies on its own Gameplay are risky. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cryptocurrencies are not for everyone. That's just plain and simple. They are very volatile. You have a chance of getting your money scammed and deleted because, I mean, we just saw what happened about 2 weeks ago with the Poly Network hack, $600 million in like cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So I want to put my money where I know it's going to be safe and in projects that I know are going to be safe and that I understand well and that other great people, smart people also buy in. Baby Doge and some of those, I'm a little iffy with that. I may be wrong. Those are my views, but hopefully that makes sense to you. Okay? Good question. Alrighty. So next, coming back here. So I was saying about the launch in Japan. So we'll see. I'm pretty happy with this. And this is another thing that kind of helps ADA and the entire crypto market ecosystem, everyone. Of course, this is not news. This happened a couple days ago. But Coinbase gets bored, okay, to add $500 million in crypto to balance sheet and aims to invest 10% of its profit in digital assets. Guys, Coinbase is buying $500 million of cryptocurrency. Wow. That is magnificent. I mean, not because, it's Coinbase, but it's just a huge company with tons of potential in the future buying back cryptocurrency. That's great. Imagine these people are buying 500 million. I don't even come close to that, right? And sometimes I'm like, oh, my money. It happens, right? Because it's your hard-earned money. In the world of billionaires and millionaires, well, 500 million sometimes is nothing. But it's something, right? We all have different levels when it comes to purchasing our assets. But this is just the beginning, everyone. I see something, guys. And I've heard this from so many other more popular, more knowledgeable YouTubers out there. And what I've heard is this. I've heard that from so many other YouTubers. It's like, this is just the beginning, everyone. You're gonna, banks also allowing some customers and managers to recommend cryptocurrencies. So I think I'm early. I'm early for so many different things, and I want to be there enjoying once they go mainstream and say to myself, go to a mirror and tell to myself, finally I was early for something, because to be honest with you, I've been failing a lot in my life. What I'm saying is like late for X, late for Z, but I don't want to be late for crypto. Got it? Very good. Gameplay. Thank you so very much for another super chat donation. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. You ask, what do you think about request token? I don't know about request token. So I'm gonna go ahead and give me 1 second. Where do I have a pen? Well, I don't have a pen right here, but I'll do that really quick for you, my man. I'll do that really quick. Request. Let's see. Request token 175. Request token. Okay, it's popping right now. Let me. Oh, here on Coin Market, if you ever are in this situation and you want to know, go first to the market. So okay, it's in Coinbase. So it's a Coinbase one that people are buying, 42%. So high confidence, good. So it seems that it lived through the Coinbase effect, and I'm sure that here in August it was announced. And if I go back, because I had the Coinbase Pro, I'm gonna see this one, which is you said it was request, the R. So I'm gonna find the R pretty soon. Right here it is. Found it. So you see, very easy to find. Once you have a cryptocurrency that you want to find, come to Coinbase Pro and you'll find it straight away. Here's request. I'll do more digging. I really, at the end of the live, I'll have more time. I just don't want to take too much time right now. At the end of the live, I'll give more explanation on requests, so stay tuned. But the easy answer right now is Coinbase effect comes to Coinbase. A lot of people buy because they know that just what happens, more volume, price shoots up, and then they dump and price comes back down, as you're seeing right now. Okay, thank you so very much. That's a great question. Hey Harold, welcome. Let me drink some more water, guys, and we continue. Alrighty. Now, so we're saying about this news of cryptocurrency. So I'm very happy for that. Ideally, I mean, this is going to be happening in many different places. And this is the Coinbase CEO. So that's great. And he announced that a couple of days ago. So ADA launching in Japan. Those are the news that we want to see. Perfect stuff. And a couple more things. I really like what Charles is doing, honestly, and what Tyler from Flexa do. Like, they come to Twitter, to YouTube, they speak to us like normal human beings, and I love that, man. Because you are ahead, you are at the forefront of possibly a next revolution technology for all of us, and you're showing your face and saying, you know, like for example, Charles, oftentimes he goes and says, guys, please, we never give away ADA. We're never going to call you to ask for your data, for your keys. Like, that's something he's been doing, because ADA, when it comes to ADA, I mean, you go back to the technicals right now. Look at that increase, everyone. That is beautiful. People, I mean, he was saying before an upgrade, there's always scams. There's always hackers and type of bad people trying to, you know, steal, thieves. So you have to be careful. You really have to be careful. And every time, you know, he was speaking, when there's a major upgrade, you have to be more vigilant. Absolutely. Gameplay, thank you so very much for the support, my friend. Appreciate it. So what we're seeing right now with the price changes on ADA, everyone, the price is way over the exponential moving average during one day. The RSI we're seeing overbought. Will ADA come back, right? Like right here to $1? This is what's going to happen. This is what I think is going to happen, everyone. With this new upgrade, we're going to have a different support. No longer will be $1. That's what I think. No longer will be on $1. That's what I think. So, once this September 12th comes, I want to see how much it's gonna drop. Let me say that once again. It's all good news right now, but eventually Cardano must fall from the mountain it is right now. It's just what it is. It happens. Not for bad, but for good. There's so much money right now on ADA, and as soon as you will never notice, you will really don't notice that. But whales are just waiting patiently. You can just see a couple of the whales activity right here. Yesterday came back up, a lot of buying, and then boom, we see a lot of sells today. Okay, is the market down? Yes, it is. So that's what I think, everyone. Be vigilant. Gameplay, thank you so very much for the super sticker, my friend. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. They gotta stay vigilant. Right now, if you can see that, I barely can see it. There's a glimpse of the buying here on the, there's a green buying indicator. So, guys, when it comes to ADA, I'm not selling this baby at all. Not selling this baby at all. And we're very excited, but I'm saving maybe $1,000, maybe $500 when it finally comes back down. Oh boy, you want to deploy most of your capital in good, reliable stocks, ETFs, index funds, whatever you do. But don't forget about cryptocurrencies, okay? Don't forget about cryptocurrencies, because yes, everyone, eventually it will drop. That's my prediction. There's no question about it. By how much? Really don't see it going close to this all-time low. I don't see it. Straight right now, on the record. I don't see it. So what I'm going to do, if I see it at 250, 230, I'm buying more. At $2, I see it at $2, to be honest with you. At $2, yes. But right now, no. I'm going to go ahead and do a Fibonacci retracement for this all-time high to the all-time to this low. I'm going to expand it, and this is what we see. So take a look at this Fibonacci retracement, shall we? Right now, the price has risen passing the golden ratio. Harold, oh, I love you, man. Always with your awesome comments, my friend. So right now with this Fibonacci retracement, we're seeing that it's blasting all the way up, passing the 1%, the 100%. So that means there must be a comeback down to $2. So $2 will be right around the golden ratio, everyone, right here, the 61%. So I expect after the news, I mean, we still have a bunch of time. We'll still have a bunch of time for September 12th. Passing $3 is not going to be, to me, it won't be a surprise. That's something expected before September 12th. But I do want to see, I'm one of the idea. I'm one of those people with the idea that we'll see Cardano coming very close to $2 in the upcoming market sell-off, crypto bear market. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, and yes, sir. Because you have to always account for that. Always. That will happen in May when China started banning everything. Everything came back down. Right here. It came back on May the 19th, and Cardano ADA went all the way to 98 cents. So imagine, would you buy Cardano at 98 cents right now? Exactly. If we ever go back to $2, you will see people asking Charles for their money back, for reimbursements. They'll be so mad at Cardano. They'll be like, I'm losing so much money. People told me this cryptocurrency was always going up, up, up to the moon. They never told me it was going to come back down. It's the same story over and over again. Yes, but the Japanese are listing Cardano when they wake up Asian market. Cat Santos, welcome. So yeah, I mean, it's just what it is. It happens, and I'm liking the ride. I'm liking the ride, baby. From all the cryptocurrencies I have, Ethereum is a behemoth that to me is my crypto S&P 500. Then Bitcoin, I don't really have too much Bitcoin, as you see right now, my crypto tracker, guys. It's all open to you to see right here. Remember, if you want to if you want me to gift you this crypto tracker. I'm giving this to all my patrons. You have the link description down below. You want to support the channel and go the next mile, there's my Patreon. So you talk to me on Discord and ask me whatever you want. I'm growing my community on Discord and it's blowing up. So I'm very happy and humble and honored. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, that's what it is. ADA is a beauty, and the founder is great. I love to watch him. He was talking about Afghanistan in one of his brief updates, like super late at night. He oftentimes just goes on the record and starts speaking things that, you know, kind of change the way you think when it comes to crypto money. He's a super smart guy and he's super young. So, gosh, what a guy. What a guy. I'll be honored if I ever get to interview him. I know Andre, one of my favorite crypto YouTubers, he wants to interview Charles. So, wow, I'll watch that on Heartbeat. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. Just going to go ahead and check the comments very quickly. Luca, welcome. I'm waiting for Cardano to dip some more. Same, Luca. Beware Trust Wallet. Someone took my... Yeah, I don't use Trust Wallet, but thank you for letting us know. Very good, very good. Alrighty. Now, that is ADA. As you know right now, I'm just going to show you this one as well, which is the technicals. And you're seeing right now in the 1 day strong buy, in the 1 week strong buy, in the 1 month strong buy. But how about the 15 minutes? Neutral, buy, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours. So everything is saying buy. That's pretty cool. Even here it's saying buy. So that just gives you an idea, right, of how good Cardano is. Very good, everyone. Very good. Coming back here. So Japan, we welcome you. It's always great when we see Cardano welcoming different and in more countries. That's fantastic. And the next one, guys, I wanted to talk to you about, because I have some friends, I have some viewers that they're here watching, is ACH Alchemy Pay. It's time for some ACH Alchemy Pay time. So let me go ahead and sip some water and we'll start talking about it. Benny, do I buy because Japan? Benny Bob, I'll buy regardless of the Japan news. From now on, there's so many different news that will come up to cryptocurrency projects. You have to understand the basics of it, of the project, of the founder, of the tokenomics, and the purpose of the project, because it's project, right? And then invest on that, because after that you'll see tons of different news that are going to come up for each individual project. I did talk about AMP token before Cardano, so guys, you can either go back, or once the live ends, you can go back to what I said. I think pretty good insights, and at the end of the live I'll probably go back and summarize a couple more things. Welcome everyone. We have a couple more than 100 people watching, 30 likes. Can we get to maybe 50 likes, everyone? It's all on you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, we talk about stocks, short, and cryptocurrencies. Everyone, thank you so very much for your support. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Super humble. We're getting close to those, growing very fast, and on YouTube. I'm very privileged, happy, humble, and excited, because there's a lot to do. There's a lot of work to do. Okay, when it comes to ACH crypto, everyone, we talked that well, it's a cryptocurrency that right now, it was before. I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. This is the 3 month. It stayed at the 7 cents for a while, for a couple of weeks. Dev Child, welcome. It stayed at the 7 cents for a couple of weeks. Then it went all the way up. That's great. A couple of news, great stories. Reached all the way to 14 cents. Right now, we're looking at 10 cents. So if I go ahead and do the year to date to see the other side, we're looking right now that we're starting to see some selling histograms right now here at the bottom. It's inevitable to see the huge uprise in the buying indicators here on this histogram, because for the Coinbase effect. But right now it's getting more stabilized. So in my opinion, this is what's really gonna help you get the money, everyone. I'm gonna change the color to yellow so you see it. That's really what's gonna get you understand. This was unprecedented, so don't really follow this for future when it comes to ACH. This is just once in a lifetime for the cryptocurrency, unless we have, for example, unless tomorrow Robinhood comes and says, we're gonna be listing ACH crypto. So guess what's gonna happen? Another Coinbase effect. Easy, no question about it. Easy. Right now, and I know I'm talking about ACH, but Robinhood was asked if they were gonna include more cryptocurrencies, and they're like, we're thinking about it. We're carefully thinking about adding more crypto. Let me tell you something, everyone, on the record. As soon as there's a new cryptocurrency on Robinhood, forget it. People are gonna go insane, especially if it's a penny type of cryptocurrency. Because people are gonna be like, oh, this is gonna be a new, like the next Dogecoin. So, but if it's like, if they add a dot, what is it? Forgot the name of that. Polkadot. There you go. If they include Polkadot, that's like $30-$40 or so. They're like, no, it's fine. So if it's a penny cryptocurrency, it's gonna go wild insane. That's what I'm saying. Like, those are the type of launches that give you these type of returns when it comes to the volume, right? But right now, what happened is ACH crypto no longer is in the interest of the whales, of the traders, because silently, traders and whales, they don't show their true faces. They just come, they see an opportunity, they buy a lot, and then once the price is breaking the resistance level they indicated for them, they're out, and you will never see them again. That's what they do, and they make tons of money. That is not my approach, because it's hard, it's not easy, and you can lose a lot of money. So it's the way the world lives, or the way the world works for them. So right now with ACH crypto, we're looking at a 10 cent. If it goes back to 9 or 8, that'll be a great place for me to start more positions. For ACH crypto, like I said previously, I have some positions for the long-term future, because this is a cryptocurrency. This is a company that it's also, like AmToken, expanding to more markets to provide better payment infrastructure systems. In the case of ACH crypto, they do not only digital, but they do also hardware when it comes to point of sales and cards and website, even what have you. So they're not pure only digital. And I only have 1-2% of ACH crypto. I don't have too much, but I have something, right? And right now, of course, we see that on Coinbase, Alchemy is 11 cents, 20% down. So if I go to trade, should be one of the top ones easily. I do no market cap, no. I have to do change. Let's see, kind of waiting on. Let me see. There you go. Okay, there you go. Oh wow. Oh wow, everyone, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? The two cryptocurrencies we speak a lot, there they are. On Coinbase, 18% down. Alchemy Pay, AmToken, 10% down, 2 digits. So there you have it. There's our two beauties. Why, everyone? Why are those there? Here's the reason. Basic reason. Volume. People are selling. What is the title of my video? We make money during the dip, during the crypto dips. And today, when I made my video, people are selling. That's the reason. So get used to that. And eventually, of course, AmToken hasn't come back down to the 3-4 cents it was mid-year. So that's the progress we want to see, okay? And Alchemy Pay, it didn't come back down to 4-3 cents where it started, right? Look at it. It's 20% down, and that's 11 cents. So perspective, everyone. Perspective. That's the way you have to think when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Perspective. You won't lose until you sell, brother. PJ, there you go. You know what you're saying. Awesome. Daniel Guerrero, welcome, buddy. Trying to trade Algo for something else. Any suggestions? Well, Algo, I own it, making a good money from Algo. Daniel, just letting you know. If you don't really like Algo, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, AMP token, very highly recommended. Very good. Thoughts on Stellar? Very good one. I don't own it. I still have to dig a little bit more on Stellar to speak about Stellar, but basic understanding, it's an okay. Good. Very good. So there's ACH, there's ADA, there's some token, guys. My conversation and my opinions about these three, I think I already detailed and laid it for you. So let me know what you think, because so far we're doing good. We're not rushing, and I like it. I mean, what else can I ask for Cardano? I'm already making the money I wanted to. Way more money that you can make from stocks sometimes, because stocks right now are at all-time high. If you didn't see the Nasdaq or S&P 500, Nasdaq passing the 15,000 points. That's insane. So good news for both the stock market and cryptocurrency overall. Now, everyone, very soon I'll be buying Joel Gomez. I converted all my ICP to Cardano. There you go. Bold move. Are you into Matic Polygon? Yes, I am. I really like Matic Polygon. That's a good project. I'm gonna be buying a couple more buys. That's the second point, new buys. I'm getting paid, at the end of the month. So that's great. We have jobs. That's a blessing. So what are you guys buying? What are you guys buying? Let me know. I'm buying. This is what I have on Coinbase. You're seeing on my screen right now. I have Cardano, Algorand, AMP token, Ethereum, Alchemy Pay, Ethereum 2, and Bitcoin. I'm buying right now by the end of the month more. I'll be buying about 10,000 AMP token. I'll be buying about, I'll say 500 or 1,000 Alchemy Pay. I'm gonna be buying like about 500 or 600 of Cardano, and the rest will go to Ethereum. Those are gonna be my new buys. As you see, everyone, I'm buying to consolidate a good foundation. Right now, SAJ is saying Solana, great one. There's so many great projects out there, but in my opinion, I first want to have an amazing solidified fortress. So later on, if for some reason I don't want to invest more, I already have a good foundation. You see what I'm saying, guys? That is the basics. That's always what I preach. Once I get that, A Wood 69, welcome, buddy. Good to see you. Once I get that good foundation, what is my good foundation? You always know. I've been saying for a long time how many AMP tokens I want. 100,000. After 100,000, I'm gonna jump to 5,000 Cardano. After 5,000 Cardano, I'm gonna jump to 5 Ethereum. That's gonna take me a while, to be honest with you, but I do want to have 5 Ethereum, 5 through Ethereum, and then after that, I'm gonna do heavy. That's okay. If you guys are watching my Shiba Inu, my Dogecoin, my Safe Moon viewers, that's after that. That's when I start to like, okay, $100, $150 of SafeMoon, $50 for Shiba Inu. And after that, because I already know my crypto is solidified in a beautiful, huge fortress of awesome projects. Got it? What do you think? PJ, stop asking Oscar for price prediction because nobody knows exactly how we'll know. 100% like supporting him in sake of fundamentals to carry on CEO of the top of our list holders. PJ, very wise. To go a little bit into what he's saying, exactly price predictions when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Price predictions work better in stocks because, stocks are way more manageable. In cryptocurrencies, the way you measure the forecast is by exactly understanding the project and how the project could do in the future, right? And where the founders see the vision of that project. But realistically speaking, because cryptocurrencies, it's very manual. Like people can manipulate the crypto price, and so you can always expect some surprises, positive surprises and negative surprises. But yeah, I agree with what you're saying. Alrighty, nice, nice, nice. There you go. That's some beautiful water. Everyone, where are you guys watching me from? Let's start a roller coaster right now of beautiful countries, cities, states. Where are you guys watching this beautiful live? Before we continue to the Q&A, I want to say shout outs to my fellow friends who are watching from all over. Nice. We are getting some Lake Crystal from New York. Welcome, Lake Crystal. It's awesome to have you. We have LA. Oh, I love LA. I've been there and I want to go back. Long Island, New York. I've never been there, but I want to go, to be honest with you. Jalisco, Harold. Jalisco, there you go. Mexico. Alabama. Forrest Gump. Every time I hear Alabama, Forrest Gump, baby. I just like that movie so much. Woodstock, New York, nice. Guam, there you go. London. Oh, we got our beautiful European friends. That's awesome. Tacoma, Washington, Florida. There you go, everyone. That's incredible. Lucky, Oklahoma. There you go. That's incredible. Thank you so much, Lucky. Appreciate it. Nice. So yeah, incredible stuff, guys. So welcome to the channel. If you enjoyed, please go ahead, consider liking and subscribing. We're bringing some of the latest content and news, and of course my thoughts and what I'm planning for the future when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because this is super young. It is exciting to be in this market right now, because at the end of the day, remember Bitcoin, that cryptocurrency that some people trash a lot. Let me go ahead and do this for you, and you're gonna be like, what? Take a look at this, everyone. There you go. So you see the graph right now. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, you see it right now. There you go. Look at this. This is 2013, $132. 2013, right? Just give it 5 more years, everyone. Just give cryptocurrency 5 more years, guys. España, there you go. That's awesome. Arizona, Manchester, Brazil. There you go. Stocks are not crypto. It's a completely different market. I agree. So yeah, everyone, ideally, a couple more years, we're going to be Gucci. And Bitcoin, just look at this rally. Magnificent stuff. Nice. Maine, there you go. Welcome. Alrighty, everyone. So that's what I wanted to tell you. Those are my new buys that are going to happen. Time for Q&A, guys. Time for Q&A before we bounce and we end this beautiful live stream that we had. We had really good fun. And I want to thank to my VIP members for coming. Any questions you have, guys, I'm all yours for a couple more minutes. And I want to say thank you for your support. Honestly, what a great night. Hawks, white trash, Shiba is trash. Well, people have different opinions on Shiba, and I'm going to respect all of them. So you guys disagree and agree, that's fine. The wise one who bought Bitcoin at the price of 0.001 are laughing now. It's younger than gold. Imagine, what's the price of Bitcoin that low? Really? Wow. Didn't know it. ACH opinions. Well, Omar, ACH, it's a good one for me to hold according to a end of the year to 1 year time frame. I want to see ACH first come back. Where is it? Here it is. I want to see ACH come back to that 14 to 15 cent average. What we're seeing right now on the year to date, as you're seeing right now on this year to date chart, it hasn't come to the medium RSI band. That's great. Hasn't come back down. It comes up, comes back down. There's significant push in the volume, but not as much as before. So I like that about ACH. If you see a huge pump and still the price doesn't go up that much, people are trying to manipulate that, and it's not gonna be working for me. But as of now, consolidation on the volume, not a bad idea for me. and it's still around 10 cents. So to me, it's a good one. Right about here, when the price was extremely volatile and crazy, I was a little bit more cautious. Right now, after this period and Coinbase effect, we better now. Good question. Shane, have you talked about Mask yet? No, I have not. I don't know what Mask or what the Mask project is. Let me know, Shane, what it is so I have a better idea. My man, Oscar, let's talk about you. How's the family? How are you? Mawful, thanks so much for that question. Super really quick, so because I know some other people have crypto questions. So I'm doing well. Family is doing well. Just went swimming a couple minutes ago or a couple hours ago, and I'm tired. I worked today, and I ate some chicken, and oh boy, delicious stuff. So thank you for asking. Praise the Lord, we're doing well. I'm very excited. And plus, I do have another news. Thank you, kind of like that reminded me something. I created, for those who are watching me, because some people ask me, I created Oscar Ramos Español, the channel for my content in Spanish. I'm still working on that. It's for the future, but I already created the channel. So later on, as I make more videos, I'll give you more updates. But you guys who are watching right now just got that, I will say, behind the scenes. So I just made that, created that channel, and I'll be working on that to make it nice and beautiful. And once it's done, well, I'll invite people to go ahead and like and stuff. Thank you. No need to worry, it just means to load up. Absolutely. The future of AMP, Lake Crystal, future of AMP. Let's rephrase that as the future of Flexa network. That's what you're going to be getting from Tyler. Eventually, AMP token is going to be growing as much as the Flexa project grows. And if we ever get another adoption or another broker, Coinbase crypto broker, not as huge as Coinbase, but somewhere in the middle, will be very fine, and the price will jump. Eventually, people and traders will sell because that will increase the price of AMP. Makes total sense. But for us as stakers, AMP token, remember, when it comes to AMP token, guys, if you buy at the dips and stake, you're literally making money, way more money than a savings account, to be honest with you. Like everyone. Right now, Flexa gives you more than 4% APY. What else do you want? Like, I know the gas prices. I'm sorry. I know the gas prices are high, but when you see them low, I highly encourage you to stake so you'll make money on the side. There you have it. So it's compound interest. Not only you're making money on your initial investment, but you're making more AMP tokens because you're staking. So you're in all fronts, you're making money with AMP token. So not necessarily the price of AMP token is attractive right now, but you're going to be making when you stake. You see that? Same as Cardano, same as Algorand, same as Ethereum. Well, those are the proof of stake ones. Proof of work, mining, that will be Ethereum and Bitcoin. So yeah, that's what I think about that. Good question. Brazil. Gaston, thank you so much. Congrats. Awesome. Claro, hablo un poco español. Yes, I already made that channel in Spanish. One day, very soon. You are my favorite channel. Thank you, Jerry. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you so very much. And just to give you some more behind the scenes, guys, I started the channel during the pandemic time. 0 subscribers, 0 likes. A video. You go back to my first video. It's this devastating when I watch it, but that's my beginnings. Those are my beginnings, and so beautiful to see your project, your business grow. And God willing, one day we'll be going to the next level. And there's one thing. There's one thing about me. I don't forget names. And you all, Spellbound, hey Spell, how you doing? One of my patrons. You guys, I'm gonna remember your name once, and if we ever get higher and bigger here on YouTube, and big things will come out, because I do have ideas, and I'm in the education business, and well, I know my Hispanic Latino community begs to know more about this information, and I have some good plans for them. So exciting news, slowly but surely, guys, slowly but surely. Let me see. Sergio Almeria. That's great. Greetings from Almeria. I recommend you, Sergio, to always DCA with ACH. If you see it down, great opportunity to buy, like I did just yesterday. Absolutely. I won't forget about you, Harold. I guarantee you that. I kind of oftentimes I have some troubles accepting your comments or not accepting your comments. You know, you get it, but yeah, you have the freedoms to say whatever you want, my friend. No worries. Thank you for the good vibes. Absolutely, Lamo Verde. Thank you. Let me go ahead and do something for you guys because you guys are awesome. So if you don't mind, look. So I have a little bit more. This is the channel. And I only have one subscriber because I just made it, but this is the one. Do you guys mind if you can maybe subscribe? So, because I cannot add this channel to my channels on my main Oscar Ramos channel because it's like YouTube doesn't find it because it's just brand new. But maybe if we increase the subscribers number, then YouTube will do it. If you don't mind, and if you can, I'm just gonna post the link down here on chat, and so we can increase the number of subscribers. That's me. But later on, you know, I'll be posting maybe an intro video or so, but so people know and starts getting some attention, and then I add it to my channels. Like if you go to YouTube channel here, I'm gonna add it to channels. So I'm gonna be removing this, and I'm gonna add it here. So that is the plan. And now you know, guys. Now you know. Yes, go back here. I've been staking my amps for about 2 weeks, almost got 20 amps already. Great job. That's awesome. That's amazing. That is great job. That's the idea about amp token, right? Not only you make money when amp token grows, but you also make money with staking. I was number 2, Jerry Camp. Awesome. That's great, everyone. Ronald, where is the best place to stake amp in the USA? Capacity. that's gonna be your place, everyone. You go to capacity right here, and here's where you are exactly staking your money. If you go to my channel, you go to videos, I made that how to stake, and it's going here it is. Where it is. I have so many videos. Good kind of. Oh wait, can't find it. Where is it? Okay. Oh, here it is. How to stake AMP token, crypto easy. So I made something for you. If you wanna know exactly, I'm gonna click. I'm gonna pause this video because I don't want you to watch a video of me. And here it is. For those who wanna know how to stake, bam. There you have it. There's the link. So yeah, I mean, trying to, of course, always answer the question that my community has on their minds. That's the idea for my channel, serving you the best I can, everyone. And kind of like the same way I started this live stream. It's about dollar cost average. It's about long-term purpose, long-term future. When you see the dips, when you see the valleys, the bloody red days, when and how do you think the most richest people in the world become that wealthy? By buying at the top? No. They become wealthy when they actually buy, when everyone is fearful. Okay? That is exactly what we want. So, and to kind of go back and conclude today, when you see the price drop into levels that you've never seen before, don't be afraid. Believe me, I'll be talking on that. I'll be speaking on those days. So you are more than welcome to come and check it out. But those are the days when you have maybe some money set aside and boom, allocate the good money. That's it. There's always a risk. I'm not going to lie to you. There's always a risk because it's risky. Maybe you want to use that money to go out with your friends, to go and travel, to buy the latest Gucci bag, whatever, Supreme, I don't know. But that's me. Money I get from my paycheck, money I get from my job, money I get from everything, I'm buying into my future. I'm buying into what's going to take me to financial freedom the next decade. That's me. That's my channel. I really don't like instant gratification. What is instant gratification? Well, I am in need of love. I'm in need of money. Let me just go or something, like I need it right now. No. I can delay that instant gratification for later. If I put in the work, if I follow my passion, that's exactly what's gonna give me the happiness I need for the long term. All right. There you go, everyone. There you go. I hope you guys understand. Besides cryptocurrency, I often speak on those type of situations and inspiration and everything that I've lived and everything that I can help you in my background. And because one day I do see me speaking about that in the future as I get more traction. Just subscribe to the new channel. Thank you so very much, guys. You're awesome. Any new coins that are undervalued, we'll vigilantly, we're closely monitoring that. Typically right now, I'm always looking at the ones that I understand and know very well. But ones like ACH Crypto, when I found it, I told you guys immediately. So right now, of course, people know it. That's great. There's a lot of traction behind ACH. But every time I find some good cryptocurrencies, I did my research. I want to make sure you guys, if you are interested in buying it, it's because I liked it, right? I'm just not going to tell you, oh, look, the baby of Dogecoin, whatever. Nah, that's just stupid, in my opinion, right? Those are the cryptocurrencies I try to avoid. So there's a thin line in cryptocurrencies, and that's what you want to see. Everyone, you are incredible. You are fantastic. Honestly, the amount of support I've received so far is just unmeasurable. And the best way for me to pay it back is to bring you the same great content you guys expect. Let me know in the comments down below after the live what ideas you have. But we're doing very well. About to end August, starting September. When I started this YouTube channel, or when I started 2021, believe me, I told myself, like, am I actually gonna get to 3,000 subscribers? I thought that I wasn't gonna get to 3,000 subscribers. When I stopped thinking about the subscriber and I started now shifting my mind to the quality of my content, that's when everything changed. When I started shifting to things that my audience wanted to watch instead of me wanted to publish, that's when everything changed. So you can also do it. And I've also seen some comments that people get inspired to what I do and they start their own channels, and that's amazing. What a beautiful world of YouTube we have. And this is just the beginning. Everyone, there you go, Richard. You already know what I'm gonna say. Good night. Peace. There you go. I hope you guys like my endings of all my videos, because that's just me. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all your support. We're ready for the bed. We're ready to relax and probably have dinner. That's all I have for you today. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments down below. Once you finish, you have if you want your free money, free stocks, check all the links down below as well. You want to become a Patreon and talk to me on Discord at any time you want. The link is down there for you as well. Become a member here on YouTube, a VIP member, and utilize those awesome stickers and emojis I have created for you. Anything, let me know. You guys are the best. 65 likes today. Incredible stuff. I love the engaging. And you guys, please be safe. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. Take it easy, everyone. God bless. Have a good one. Please be safe. And I'll see you in next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Spell. Appreciate it so much. Thank you for that. Bye, guys. Peace.